So today I'm going to be working on my InSinkerator garbage disposal. So underneath we need to check and see if it needs the reset button pressed, because if there's a jam it will shut itself off like a circuit breaker, and you need to reset it. So let's see if that works. So you crawl underneath the sink and you look up underneath the disposal, and this is the button you want to press. Mine is sticking out, so push it in, clicks. Now that didn't work, I already tried. So here is a motor that turns the blades. You need a 1/4 inch hex, or also known as the Allen key, to spin the blades. So we're going to try that next. So this is what you're going to want to use: 1/4 inch Allen key. Oh, I got some stuff jammed in there. Put a little pressure on it. Turn it back and forth. Okay, let's try it now.